The first take on your screen, and it is indicating a gap down start rather, because Nifty 50 is down about 27 odd points, now falling to 60 odd points, while Nifty Bank, that's where the action is. 181 points of cut is what we are witnessing, getting sharper with more than 200 points of decline right now. Bajaj Finserv as well as Bajaj Finance, they're the most of the drag what we are seeing on the benchmark indices. Both the Bajaj twins are down almost 3 to 5% in today's trading session. IndusInd Bank too, after Mr. Sumant Katpalia stepping down about almost 3%. But the stock is trying to stabilize from those lower levels. But another earnings candidate is Trent, where the like-to-like growth has actually fallen for the past 3 quarters, is what the analysts are indicating. The stock too is down about 3% after almost 4 to 5% jump what we have seen just yesterday. Other than that, it's Tata Motors too, which is seen to be taking a back seat, almost a 2% cut there. And within financials, it's SBI too, which is down about more than 1% as we speak right now. But on the flip side, let's also look at some of the gainers which are trying to lend support to the benchmark indices. Of pharma counters definitely moving up the list. Sun Pharma, Dr. Reddy's, Cipla, these are the top gainers on the Nifty 50. HDFC Bank too within financials is trying to lend some bit of a support, and select IT counters are also gaining a bit of a momentum. Bharti Airtel, this has been one of the outperformers, is up around 1% in trade as we speak right now, and the heavyweight L&T is also up almost 0.6%. Let's also watch out for Reliance, what that stock does in today's trading session, because the past 2 days have been fantastic for Reliance Industries. It's almost flat in today's trading session, but if we look at the breadth of the market, that is tilted towards the favor of the declines right now. It's not looking that great at the open, but we can't complain much actually, because for the past couple of days the broader markets have been trying to lend some support. But Snehi, which are the stocks that are making up to your list?
Absolutely. Let's also throw some light on Ambuja Cements. Very chirpy brokerage notes coming in. It's been a good numbers, though they came in market hours yesterday. You have brokerages that are quite a beat on the stock. Ambuja Cements not doing much right now. Focus will also be on M&M and Tata Motors today. EV players in the market on the passing of the Maharashtra EV policy. So M&M currently flat, and Tata Motors is in fact down 2.5%. On the earnings front, good set of numbers coming in from India Mart Intermesh. The PAT was up 81% on a year-on-year basis. That stock should be doing well. And you also have BPCL, mixed set of numbers coming in, weak set of numbers coming in from CH, Star Health, Jana Small Finance Bank. So a cut is what we're seeing across all of these stocks. Prestige Estates also in news today. They've received the RERA nod for its Prestige City Indirapuram project in NCR. Good GDV, 9,000 crore on that front, so looking very healthy, and almost 1% higher is where the stock is. From the pharma front, like Shrishti mentioned, Strides is in news. Their arm has acquired 4 ANDAs from the US market. Strides Pharma is the one that we are talking about, and Alembic Pharma, both from the pharma pack. Alembic has also received EIR from the US FDA for their Gujarat unit inspection coming in. So Alembic rather flat right now. Strides doing pretty okay. A big work order coming in for NBCC as well, so that's another stock to watch out for. Other than that, from the Nifty pack, Dr. Reddy, Sun Pharma, Bharti Airtel, HDFC looking good. Tata Consumer has joined that list right now, looking good. On the flip side, deep pressure. Bajaj Finserv, Bajaj Finance, a 5% cut coming now. Trend almost lower by 3%, and so is IndusInd Bank as well. That's what the market is shaping up to be like at open.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Pretty tempered and tentative. Kunal, you were betting on a consolidation day today as well, ahead of the holiday tomorrow. How do you think the eventual day is going to pan out?
Yeah, I think there should be a bit of a fight back which could happen if we fall below that or closer to that 24,000 mark. I don't expect a major correction to happen on an intraday basis, but I just about feel that the markets are ripe for a bit of a consolidation. Such a kind of a steep run, like a 10% rally for the Nifty and a 10% plus rally for the Bank Nifty. So we're bound to see at least a week of consolidation for the index. So I think in that aspect, this consolidation, this dip what we're seeing right now today could be a good buying opportunity.
Okay, that's that. What about your individual stocks, Kunal?
Yeah, so in terms of the opening trade, I would look at ICICI Bank as the stock which I would trade in the open. The stock still looks quite attractive, and with the fact that there's been a lot of pressure on the news flow for IndusInd Bank, that could also be more favorable to the other performing private sector banking names.
Okay, that's the take coming in on what some of those stocks are looking like, and ICICI Bank is on Kunal's buy radar.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.